The SNAPTABLE PRO HYPER-LITE is a portable, all-in-one metal roof panel preparation system tailored for standing seam metal roofing projects. This compact and lightweight tool, equipped with a notcher, shear, and hammer, is designed to enhance efficiency, reduce labor costs, and minimize material waste. Its versatility allows it to handle various standing seam metal roof panels, ensuring precision cuts and factory-like quality. Ideal for contractors aiming to save time and improve overall productivity, the SNAPTABLE PRO HYPER-LITE offers convenience, durability, and ease of use. Consider this innovative tool to streamline your metal roofing panel preparation process and elevate the quality of your work. The MARSHALLTOWN Durasoft Drywall Rasp is a highly efficient and versatile tool for professionals and DIers working on drywall projects. With its ability to remove 45% more material per stroke compared to other rasps, it offers a time-saving and labor-efficient solution. The clog-resistant design prevents dust accumulation, ensuring consistent and optimal performance. Featuring a comfortable Durasoft handle, this rasp minimizes fatigue during extended use. Its durability, sharp blade, and compatibility with various materials make it a reliable choice for smoothing and shaping drywall, backerboard, and vinyl tiles. Additionally, the option to choose between models with or without rails provides flexibility based on project requirements. The C.JET tool, 10 inches heavy-duty scissors, are robust industrial-grade scissors designed for cutting through tough materials like carpet and cardboard. Featuring high-quality stainless steel blades, these scissors are resistant to rust and corrosion, ensuring durability and sharpness for cutting even the most challenging materials. The soft grip handles provide a comfortable and secure grip, even in wet or greasy conditions. With long handles offering leverage, these scissors make it easy to cut through thick materials. Multi-purpose in nature, they can be utilized for various cutting tasks, including fabric, plastic, and more. Boasting professional quality construction, these scissors are built to last, making them a valuable addition for tasks in the home, office, or workshop. A chop saw stand with universal fittings is a crucial tool, offering stability and safety for both professionals and hobbyists. With its universal fittings, it accommodates various chop saw models, making it versatile and a worthwhile investment. The stand's foldable and lightweight design ensures portability and easy storage. It enhances ergonomics by providing a comfortable working height, reducing fatigue. The stable platform significantly improves cutting accuracy, making it an essential workshop accessory. Look for features like heavy-duty construction, adjustable height, a reliable locking mechanism, extendable arms, and integrated storage for accessories when selecting a chop saw stand. The 2800W electric plastering machine is a versatile tool suitable for tasks like old wall renovation, dust-free shoveling putty, and cement wall planing. Its powerful 2800W motor ensures excellent performance, and the dust-free design maintains a clean work area. Lightweight and easy to use, it caters to both professional and DIY users, offering benefits such as time and effort savings, a professional finish, and reduced dust and mess. Whether tackling renovation projects or precision work, this plastering machine proves to be a valuable and efficient choice. A magnet for profiles specialist is a skilled professional responsible for installing and maintaining magnetic profiles, commonly employed by manufacturing or user companies. Proficient in magnetism principles, they ensure the safe and efficient installation and upkeep of magnetic profiles. Fast install processes involve quick and easy profile installation using specialized tools for alignment and secure placement. The benefits of engaging a magnet for profiles specialist with fast install capabilities include increased productivity, enhanced installation quality, cost savings, and greater flexibility in adapting to varying production or assembly needs. For efficient and high-quality profile installations, opting for a specialist with fast install expertise is a valuable choice. The Minimal Magnet Drywall Cutter is a revolutionary tool designed for cutting both sides of a drywall sheet simultaneously, saving time and ensuring clean, accurate cuts. Versatile enough to handle 1/2 inches or 5/8 inches boards, it allows unrestricted cutting of any shape, including circles, squares, and curves. With the ability to cut 90-degree corners in one pass and handle various shapes with ease, it's a versatile tool suitable for a range of projects. The magnetic force holds the two parts together, aiding in ease of use and storage, while collapsible legs enhance portability. The blade cartridge system contributes to user safety, making it an essential tool for professionals and DIYers alike. The VU Nail Holder is a safety tool designed to prevent accidental hammer strikes on fingers while hammering small nails. With a plier-like design and a long handle, it securely grips and accurately positions nails, ensuring a safer hammering experience. The slip-joint pliers allow adjustment for different nail sizes, providing versatility for various tasks like hanging pictures or furniture repair. Made of durable plastic, this affordable tool is a practical solution for protecting hands during small nail projects. Ensto's ST308 Insulation Removal Tool is specifically designed for peeling the bonded insulation screen off medium-voltage polymeric insulated cables. With features like adjustable peeling depth, ball bearings for smooth turning, and a separate stopper to prevent over-peeling, this tool ensures a safe and efficient process. The method involves cleaning the cable surface, positioning the tool, adjusting the depth, peeling by rotating the tool, and checking for a clean surface. Optional grinding of the insulation edge can be done for enhanced electrical stress control. Ensto's tool and method are crucial for the proper preparation of MV cables for termination or jointing. The MARSHALLTOWN Heavy-Duty Dual Scraper is a versatile tool designed for efficiently removing various flooring materials, including tile, vinyl, carpet, wood, and adhesives. Its dual-blade design allows for flexibility between 3-inch and 5-inch sizes, while the heat-treated steel blade ensures durability and longevity. The sharpenable blade can be maintained for extended use, and the 56-inch length, coupled with the Durasoft handle, provides leverage and comfort during scraping. The threaded handle end allows compatibility with standard broom handles for additional reach. This scraper is a reliable choice for heavy-duty flooring removal tasks. The Crimpix is a precision tool designed for measuring the height of splices and crimps. Its quick-change clincher ensures accurate measurements by following the sample shape, surpassing traditional methods like calipers and micrometers. With a spring-loaded pin, it exerts adequate pressure for measurement without causing deformation, making it suitable for delicate or challenging samples. Additionally, it offers convenient data storage options, allowing results to be saved on an SD card or transferred to a PC via Bluetooth. The Crimpix is characterized by its user-friendly design, making it a valuable and accurate tool for various applications. TAPIX is an efficient manual wire harness taping tool designed for rapid and enhanced wire harness insulation compared to traditional winding methods, with key benefits including increased productivity, improved quality, ergonomic design, versatility, and ease of use. TAPIX stands out in various industries like automotive, aerospace, medical, electronics, and industrial automation. Its features, such as adjustable tape tension, a tape guide for uniform application, comfortable grip, durable construction, and easy maintenance, make it a valuable tool for streamlining wire harness taping processes. The Thin-Line Torque Wrench by FastTorque is positioned as the world's toughest and most versatile torque wrench. With a simple yet robust construction, it incorporates inline precision for durability and safety. The low-profile design allows accurate torque application in confined spaces, and the available range of sizes makes it adaptable to various applications. Built to withstand demanding conditions, the Thin-Line Torque Wrench is a durable and versatile tool suitable for automotive, industrial, and construction uses. Its patented inline precision mechanism ensures accurate torque readings, making it a reliable choice for professionals. The Milwaukee AirTip Long Reach Flexible Micro Hose Set is a versatile cleaning solution for wet-dry vacuums, comprising 5 interchangeable hoses in various lengths and diameters. Designed for reaching tight spaces and cleaning challenging areas, the set includes flexible hoses, semi-rigid tubes, and a micro hose. Made from durable and crush-resistant material, the hoses feature quick connect fittings for easy attachment to vacuums. The included storage case keeps the hoses organized and protected. This set is a practical choice for users seeking a versatile, durable, and user-friendly solution for cleaning hard-to-reach spaces. The No-Easy Cable Tie and Tensioner Tool and Cutting Tool is a versatile device designed for securing and cutting plastic and nylon cable ties. With features such as adjustable tension control, automatic cable tie cutoff, and a comfortable pistol-style grip, this tool is suitable for cable ties with a width of 2.4 to 9 mm. Its metal case construction ensures durability, and with a length of 165 mm, it is compact and easy to handle. This tool offers quick and efficient cable tie application, saving time and effort while maintaining a neat and tidy appearance. Overall, it provides a valuable solution for those who frequently work with cable ties. The Nut Picker Upper is a groundbreaking tool designed to simplify nut harvesting tasks, offering an ergonomic solution that eliminates the need for strenuous bending. Featuring a gentle grasping mechanism, this tool ensures delicate nuts remain undamaged during collection. Beyond nut harvesting, its versatility extends to gathering fruits, vegetables, cleaning leaves and debris, and even collecting pet waste. With a lightweight and user-friendly design, the Nut Picker Upper is an ideal companion for outdoor activities, catering to gardeners, nature enthusiasts, and anyone seeking a convenient tool for maintaining a tidy property. The ARB jack is a robust hydraulic jack designed for off-road recovery and lifting tasks. With a lifting capacity of up to 7,000 kilograms, it's suitable for various vehicles. Constructed from aircraft-grade 6061 T6 aluminum, it ensures strength and corrosion resistance. The jack's low-profile design, high-visibility RB orange color, and non-slip textured base enhance its practicality in diverse terrains. The 360 degrees adjustable head and multiple mounting options provide flexibility, and it can also be used as a rake for terrain management. The ARB jack is a reliable tool for safe vehicle lifting, tire changes, winch installation, and maintenance tasks. Additional accessories like the ARB jack base and carry bag, along with compatibility with the T-JET Pro mounting kit, enhance its functionality and convenience. The Napex Bix Cutter is a versatile tool designed to cut unreinforced plastic pipes and standard-compliant drip sleeves and sealing sleeves. With the ability to cut unreinforced plastic pipes with diameters between 20 and 50 mm and wall thicknesses up to 2.4 mm, as well as soft plastic pipes with foam cores with diameters between 20 and 50 mm and wall thicknesses up to 3.5 mm, it offers flexibility for various applications. The rotatable blade unit allows for quick switching between cutting pipes and sealing sleeves, ensuring clean and chip-free cuts. With its lightweight and compact design, the Napex Bix Cutter provides comfortable and efficient operation. Drywall Pro is a revolutionary drywall finishing tool designed to provide a cleaner, faster, and more convenient experience. It boasts a patented pressure-activated blade that eliminates the need for sanding, significantly reducing dust during the finishing process. With a focus on efficiency, Drywall Pro claims to be faster than traditional sanding methods, making it a time-saving solution for both professionals and DIYers. The tool is user-friendly, requires no power, and features a heat-treated blade for effortless smoothing. Its durable wheels allow smooth gliding across various drywall textures and thicknesses, and the replaceable four-sided blade ensures maximum longevity. Overall, Drywall Pro offers a versatile and dustless solution for achieving a scratch-free, consistent finish on drywall surfaces. The Rapid RP100 is a heavy-duty blind rivet plier designed for versatile use in sheet metal work and repairs. Featuring power reduction technology, this tool allows users to set rivets with 40% less force than traditional rivet pliers, ensuring ease of use for extended periods without fatigue. Its durable construction is built to withstand the demands of challenging jobs, while the ergonomic design with a soft grip handle enhances user comfort. The RP100 accommodates a wide range of blind rivets, including those made of steel, stainless steel, and aluminum, with diameters ranging from 3.2 mm to 4.8 mm. Additionally, the tool incorporates automatic mandrel collection, streamlining the riveting process by collecting spent mandrels automatically, eliminating the need for manual cleanup interruptions. The Milwaukee M12 cable stapler is a cordless and powerful tool designed for efficient cable installation. It outperforms manual staplers by being twice as fast and eliminating hand fatigue. Compatible with Milwaukee 1 insulated staples, it can drive up to 1,200 staples on a single charge. The stapler features a power-state brushless motor for extended motor life and more runtime. With RedLink intelligence protecting against overload, it ensures tool and battery safety. The compact design allows easy maneuverability in tight spaces, and it comes with a built-in belt hook for convenient carrying. The LED light illuminates the work area, enhancing accuracy and consistency in cable installation. Overall, the Milwaukee M12 cable stapler offers a time-saving, efficient, and durable solution for cable stapling tasks. Flitch offers a versatile selection of hole-punching tools designed for specific applications, including the WZ-VB8 for PEG trunking, a trough-punching tool for industrial trunking covers, and wire mesh trunking shears for cutting wire webs. The choice of the right tool depends on factors such as the material type, steel, aluminum, or plastic, material thickness, ranging from 0.5 mm to 2.0 mm, and the required hole size, from 6 mm to 20 mm. Each tool serves a unique purpose, ensuring precision and efficiency in hole-punching tasks across diverse materials and applications. Thank you for watching this video on top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.